Hello everyone, my name is Ali and welcome to my channel Finding Places and More. Today I will tell you the tragically beautiful story of Vasa, the warship, which was the most powerful warship in the beginning of 17th century. It is tragic because it sank on its maiden voyage, and it is beautiful because you still can feel and touch the ship even today. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you do not miss any of my upcoming video. Please comment if it's possible. I would love to see all your comments. Now let's start the story of Vasa, the warship. Thank you.
In January 1625, the Swedish king Gustav II Adolf signed a contract with Dutch company. They were to build 4 new ships. One of them, Vasa, was to be the most powerful warship. The king's newest and most powerful ship, Vasa, was launched in the spring, and hundreds of craftsmen worked through the summer to finish the hull and rigging. When completed, it was 69 meters long and more than 50 meters tall from the keel to the top of the mainmast. The ship weighed over 1200 tons once outfitted with 10 sails, 64 cannons, 120 tons of ballast, and hundreds of sculptures. The ship also had 2 gun decks. A giant of a ship of its time was born. The captain, who was supervising the construction of Vasa, was worried while in trial as the ship was rolling unusually, but he was under pressure from the king to get the ship to sea. He had to sail anyway. Months later, 10th August 1628, Vasa was ready for its maiden voyage. It was a calm day with a light breeze, perfect for sailing weather. The gun ports were opened ready to fire a salute, and then this is what happened. The story does not end here. 24th April 1961, Vasa first appeared from the depth of the sea after 333 years of hibernation. A ship from the 17th century was headline material in newspapers around the world. Then in 1962, the ship was displayed to the general public at the newly constructed Vasa shipyard, where visitors can see Vasa while a team of conservators, carpenters, and others technicians worked to preserve the ship. In that year, 439,300 tickets were sold to see the ship and its unique finds. 15 June 1990, Vasa got a new home. the new Vasa Museum was officially opened. The ship was the centerpiece of attraction which exhibits all aspects of naval life in the early 17th century. In 2011, tourists make the pilgrimage when Vasa celebrates the 50th anniversary of its recovery from the depths. The Vasa Museum set a new record with well over 1.2 million visitors. After half a century of conservation and restoration work, the success of Vasa is easy to understand. It is unique and intact ship from a forgotten time. Over 98% of original structure survives, including masts and sail, so it does not look like wreck. Today Vasa is the world's best preserved 17th century ship and the most visited museum in Scandinavia. In addition to the fascinating tour of the ship itself, there are 9 exhibitions around the ship to enrich tourists' Vasa experience. The museum offers a film about the Vasa's history, viewable in 16 different languages. And there is also a restaurant and gift shop on the museum premises. It's located in Stockholm, Sweden. So when you are in Stockholm, you can have your tour to Vasa Museum and live the moment of early 17th century. The museum is open daily 7 am to 5 pm. That's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. Our world is amazing and I will continue to explore and share with you. Thank you.